2, 1, go.
Hey, Stephanie Rainey here from the Swimologist. I'm down here in beautiful Hawaii, and we're in the Poipu area on Kauai Island. We're between two different beaches. There's Kauai and Hoya Beach, and this is a kind of a favorite snorkeling spot for a lot of people who come and visit here. We were in snorkeling, we took a little bit of video footage. I think we'll put it on the end of this clip. And I have 4 tips for you coming out of the water. It really made me think about what you need to have in order to be able to snorkel here. So number one and two are having to do with before you ever get in the water here, and they're practicing at home with your equipment. So getting a snorkel, getting a mask, and practicing with those, because it's different breathing underwater with the snorkel. And the truth is, the more you do it, the easier it gets. The second thing is being able to come up out of the water with your snorkel and your goggles, or your mask, because that's different as well. So you want to come up, look around every once in a while, because it can be really disorienting. You know, if you follow a fish, or the waves are moving you around, or the current is taking you, then you want to know where you are and get your bearings. So the third tip is sunscreen. Tons of sunscreen, especially on the back of your legs, the back of your neck, because the sun really does beat down on you and you don't feel it when you're in the cooler water. And the last tip is, if you notice here, it's a perfect spot, simply because out farther the waves are breaking, and maybe Pat, you can get a shot of that, where the bigger waves are breaking out below, or out farther out, and then that means that in here it gives you kind of like a basin where it's a lot more calm. There's still waves, but they're not as big as the ones coming in from out there, so they're not moving you around so much. You're not kind of getting jostled, and it's not also bringing up the bottom of the ocean around you. So I hope that helps. 4 things. Prepare yourself for getting in and snorkeling in a beautiful place like Hawaii, and that's it. Enjoy the rest of your day, and aloha.